Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Gene Bytes. In this week video, we are going to launch one EC2 instance in the newly launched AWS UAE region and test the latency. It was a recent announcement that UAE data center for AWS is up and running. So we are going to launch one instance and test how is the latency from the Dubai. First of all, you need to enable the region. By default it will be disabled, and the enabling is a very easy step. Just click enable and it will take you to the enabling page. It will show the list of AWS regions enabled and disabled for your region. In the middle list I just selected enable, and now the region is enabled. Now let me go to the EC2 region. In the drop down, now I'm in the building page. In the drop down, let me select Middle East UAE. I'm in the building dashboard. I'm just navigate to the EC2 because building dashboard is a global region based. Okay, in the Middle East. Okay, now it's being prepared. In the back end, it will enable your account to use with UAE data center. For me, it took around like 4-5 minutes. I just fast forward the video. Now my UAE region is enabled. You see here, it's in the Middle East UAE region. And I'm going to launch one EC2 instance with the AMI and then check the latency. So I just give my name for an instance as first server in UAE. Okay, AWS. Since it's my first server, I need to create the key pairs as well. So number of instance 1 AWS, and I select T3 micro since it's for testing purposes. I allowed only the SSH traffic, and I click launch instance. It will ask for me to create the key pair since this is the first time I'm creating the instance in UAE region. I give a easy identification for my key pair, and previously you need to download PEM then convert to PPK. Now you can directly download as PPK from the AWS console itself. So I just verify everything is fine and then just click launch instance. Okay, my instance is getting created. It will take around 2 minutes. Okay, let's fast forward this video again. I will wait for my instance to get created. Okay, now the instance is up and running. You see I got a public IP from the AWS. I just go to copy and paste this in who.is. Just check whether if it is showing the Dubai region. Let's see. Copy to the IP address, put it in the whois database. It's showing it belongs to the AWS region. Great. It's not showing specifically Dubai, but anyway, it's showing it belongs to AWS. Let me try some online ping test tool from UAE to check the latency. Okay, I'm not sure how much accurate it is, but let's run some few tests from here. Okay, I got it. Why the empty response is coming? Because ICMP is disabled for my server. When I launch the instance, I enabled only the SSH. Let me enable the ICMP. I enable ICMP v4 from all the traffic, saving the rules. Now if I run the ping test, it should show the response. Yeah, so the TTL is showing 240, and the time is very good, less than in milliseconds. I'm not sure how accurate this online test tool is. To just double confirm what we can do, I'm currently in Dubai. I have one local VM instance running in my lab. Let's try to ping the public IP from that lab and see how good is the latency. I'm into my server right now. Let me try to open the command prompt, ping the public IP of my EC2 instance. My public IP is 3.28.184.101. See, 6 milliseconds. 6 milliseconds is very good. It's like your branch office. It's very good for some high intensive workloads.